In this video, I'm going to show you where to get a promo code deal for Air Canada. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my mobile device, and in particular, I'm going to go inside Google, and then I'm going to type in Air Canada promo code, and now I'm going to hit search. And now from here, you get a whole list of different search results inside of Google. And you'll see some of the big players here. So we got CouponFollow we can get deals from. You can get Simply Codes. Scroll down and there's more here. Worth the penny. So one I really like to use is CouponFollow. So if we go ahead and check out Air Canada coupon codes, 20% off. So now inside CouponFollow, if we scroll down, there's even more deals. So we got 15% off, 5% off, $75 off, 25% off your purchase. So if you want to activate any one of these, just simply click onto the offer and then click on copy, and now paste this at the checkout section of Air Canada to enjoy 25% off your purchase. These codes do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check them out at future dates for bigger and better savings as well. And if they do expire, come back at a later date to get new offerings as well.